This is Lucy. Female, pretty and cute. She likes to lean on me to sleep. On November 24, 2019, I rescued her and Pino from the street. At the time I rescued them, they were only 1 to 2 months old, and I raised her like my daughter. She has a lot of ague, especially cute when she sleeps. I brought her from Malaysia to Korea, and the process was very expensive and not easy, but I made it up. On the long journey, she must have been under a lot of stress. After coming to Korea, she looked normal for several days. She slept well, fed, and drank water. She also spent time looking at the flowers outside the window. She didn't
Lucy?
seem to like coming
Only
to Korea very much,
한국 싫어? 한국 싫어?
and she only slept a lot in one place. After a few days, she did not eat or drink at all and continued to vomit. I tried to take medicine from Malaysia to her, but to no avail. She was dying up like that. After not eating and drinking for so long, I thought she could die.
루시?
I gave her favorite wet food, but she didn't
안 먹어.
even smell it. She was dying like that, refusing food and water. My wife and I entered Korea from Malaysia and were in self-quarantine 14 nights, 15 days, so I couldn't even take Lucy to the hospital. It was so painful for me and my wife to see Lucy dying like that. I only wanted the miracle to happen. Immediately after the quarantine was over, I took Lucy to the hospital. I asked my Muslim friend which hospital is good, and he introduced me to a Korean Muslim. And that Korean Muslim introduced me a hospital, and I visited the hospital with Lucy. Lucy had already lost a lot of weight. I am a person who hates lying, and I think the people who watch my videos should know the truth. At the veterinary clinic where I was introduced, I had a very unpleasant experience. When I told the veterinarian that I and Lucy were from Malaysia, he asked me if I had corona. Maybe he was a joke. But in such a situation, such a joke is unacceptable. He said it would cost 450,000 Korean won to do some tests without even taking Lucy out of the cage and looking at her. And I showed him Lucy's medicines from Malaysia, and he said that the medicine only used in undeveloped country Malaysia are not used in Korea. I visited the hospital through an acquaintance, but I was very displeased with the doctor's word and action, and I felt very much that he only used animals for money. And I am very regret for not recording my conversation with him. Anyway, I came out of the hospital and I had to find another better hospital myself. Fortunately, I found a good hospital. This is cat-friendly hospital and it is very nice. I found out that many Koreans and foreigners recommended this hospital on Facebook. I wanted Lucy to be well healed here. We tested Lucy here, and for as many as 4 hours we tested and talked with the doctor about Lucy. It was quite expensive due to the various necessary tests, but I thought the price was reasonable. The doctor was very kind. She examined Lucy very closely and explained to us what was wrong. Of course, she is good at English, so she explained it to my wife in English as well. Lucy was in a very urgent situation where surgery was urgent and she needed surgery right away. However, the cost of the operation was very high, so we hesitated because I didn't have that much money. First, we came home because of the expensive surgery cost. It was so hard to see Lucy turning off the spark of life. My wife took a picture that might be the last one with Lucy. My wife and I prayed honestly may a miracle happen in this holy month of Ramadan. And a miracle happened if Allah heard our prayers. We came back to the hospital 2 days later. Then we proceeded to Lucy's operation. The cost which is more than the expected cost before surgery. The operation went well and she is recovering in the intensive care unit. She was admitted to the hospital after surgery and we were able to come and visit her when we wanted. The hospital's facilities were surprisingly clean and nice. And the staff and doctors were all friendly. Lucy was recovering well after surgery. And after the operation, her expression looked very comfortable. Although it costs a lot of money, but we are once again feeling the preciousness of life. On the other day, we went to the hospital to see Lucy. Her condition was getting better and better. It seems that she also waited for us and wanted to see us. Like before she got sick, she began to be charming again. If she continued to getting better, she may be discharged soon.
We came to hospital and Lucy maybe today can go home. Inshallah. We are waiting Lucy now.
Yeah, we're waiting. I hope she will come out today.
Finally Lucy, she can go back home.
Yeah, fine.
Alhamdulillah. 가자.
See, Lucy comes home but still has to take medicine. I have already become a professional in cat medicine.
She swallow? 잘했어.
Lucy's hospitalization fee for about a week. 1,977,200 Korean won. Lucy's surgery cost plus total hospitalization fee excludes examination fee, medicine and food that Lucy should eat. A letter from the hospital, how to care for Lucy. Lucy is recovering well now. I had no money, but how could I have paid about 4,000 US dollar? If you are curious, please subscribe to my channel and like it and wait for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
today is 26th Monday. We came back to hospital to check up for Lucy after
then the
stay at
doctor
home around 3 days.
expected activity of Lucy is not increasing, even her appetizer, because she gave us around 3 cans of wet food. But usually it's supposed that she eats all that 3 cans in the 3 days when we take her off to the home. But she ate only around one can and half, less than half. So and her activity was all the time just sleeping and not moving. She just go to toilet. And then I think the doctor expecting that her inflammation it's increasing and she has to get another type of antibiotics injection in her body, not by pills. So today is her checkup. Today we bring Lucy to the hospital again, and the doctor expected like this. So she said that Lucy has to stay in the hospital for, she said it's kind of a care day, I don't know. Lucy has to stay there and they will call us in the afternoon. If it's okay, then we will take her back home today. If no, tomorrow, I think, with another examination of sonography. And yeah, the doctor is doing her best to check what's going on inside her body. I hope she will recover soon.
Okay, inshallah, Lucy will recover and there is no any problem inside her stomach.
Yeah, we hope so.
Yeah, we hope so, inshallah. 또 왔어 또.
Yeah.
아이고
Another
진짜.
checkup for Lucy. Inshallah, she will be okay. We don't know when. Hi again.
Today we went to hospital again for Lucy and yeah, she is getting better and but some skin problem she has because after surgery and some because of medicine. So we took another 1 week medication and appointment. Yeah, we have to feed her again.
Yes.
And after 1 week we have to visit doctor again, inshallah. Hello, we came hospital again.
Hi again with Lucy.
To Lucy for checkup.
Maybe it's 3rd time or 4th time
Yeah,
after surgery. Yeah.
So inshallah
I hope this time it will be last. She's getting better, alhamdulillah.
yes, she eat normally. She did poo, drink,
Everything.
active, everything.
Yeah, everything is working well.
We will enter hospital, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Let's go. Inshallah, this time is last time for Lucy. How many times?
Many, I don't know. I cannot remember. But Lucy or I mean today, she is so young. Finally, Lucy cannot back hospital again. She healed completely, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
No need to come again.
Yes.
Finished.
Finished, Lucy.
Just ointment for skin problem and maybe next month just
for
vaccination.
vaccination.
Yeah, inshallah. Anywhere can have vaccination. Alhamdulillah.
This is like a miracle from Allah.
Allah, yes.
I think she is better now
Yeah.
because Allah, helped us.
Yeah, we have to
And
be
help
careful
her.
because she used to eat quickly, so give her small quantity of food and let her eat slowly.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, so alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.